Hey, yo!
What the Yeah, hey, I know you're just trying to be nice, but I'm gonna advise you, as your brother, as Leslie Loud, as the voice of reason of this family, you're like 11 and a half!
Henderson!
You guys are children! What the you guys watching? Give it to me! What the What the Is that
Spunky!
Is that
Spunky!
Is that
Spunky!
Santiago? Is that thee?
Spunky!
Santiago!